Go home happy with the 2018 Kia Optima. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this handsome and capable Optima. This family-friendly midsize sedan creates a serenely spacious environment while giving you all the advantages of driver assist tech, infotainment, and modern connectivity. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: hands-free liftgate, keyless entry, heated mirrors, wood grain interior trim, fog lamps, backup camera, satellite radio, steering wheel audio controls, power driver's seat, Bluetooth connection. Feel confident and refreshed when you're behind the wheel of this well-equipped Optima. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.